All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I hope you guys are having a good, successful deer hunting season for you this year. Getting out and enjoying wildlife and hopefully having some successful harvests. Bow hunting, gun hunting, or muzzleloader, whatever you may be doing. So I just want to give you a quick update on these grit Workhorse climbing sticks by Tethrd. If you've been following the channel, you probably saw my original review of these when I first got them this summer. And then I did a follow-up video probably a month ago or so regarding just in the field use. I've gotten through halfway through the season. I've used them for a while to get a better, more in-depth review of how they've held up for me. And if you watched that video, you saw, I guess, all in all, that these have been a great stick for me. Climbing stick, and that I've had one issue with them in particular, and that is these pesky little black clips here. So these retaining clips, or attachment clips if you call them that. And so that video, I reached out to Tethrd actually. I sent them an email regarding the Grit Workhorse sticks. They were very responsive. That's one thing I like about Tethrd products, is their service is second to none. Really good customer service. They make sure you treat you right, I guess. So they're really responsive. So they were able to, although these were not the Tethrd line, they were the obviously Grit, with the affiliation, they're able to send me a replacement set of these little black clips. So if you have these, you know what I'm talking about. They just mount in right here with little set screws in there, and they're meant to clip on right here. So that's how you stack these. So the other side has a normal Stick Loc pins, like the other Tethrd climbing sticks do. However, the top side here has these little black clips, plastic black clips, for the attachment mechanism. So as you can see, like I said, Tethrd sent me a replacement pack of these free of charge. I went back out literally the first time I used these again, and you can see I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 of the 4 broke. So I didn't even, this is probably the bottom stick, so I didn't even really get attached. But these do not like cold weather. So up here, Minnesota, Midwest, these cold weather, probably anything under 40 degrees, I would say. In the summer, when I was practicing with these in early season, these held up just fine. Come late October, November, 40 degrees comes around, and I noticed 2 or 3 of them snapped. So I figured it was maybe just me being hard on them or something, or being a little too aggressive with them, I don't know. But like I said, Tethrd sent me a replacement pack. I swapped them out. I thought I was back in business, and first time out a few weeks ago with cold weather, single digit weather, one snapped for sure, just taking or unattaching these or unassembling these. One snapped, just taking them off to go ascend or climb into the tree. And then when I got back down, going to snap these on, 2 more of them broke or whatever. So these do not hold up to cold weather at all. So I think it's a potential design flaw on the Grit lineup here, Tethrd's behalf. I would expect maybe they do a revision or design change to implement something different here. But anyways, I bring this video to you to show you my fix, my resolution here. I've been waiting for this for a while. They are the same, or it's the same setup or mechanism that the Tethrd Skeletor, excuse me, and the One sticks have, and that's these Stick Loc pin system here. So like I said, the Grit Workhorse sticks come with the bottom side with the Stick Loc pins. However, they use the black clips instead of the Stick Loc pins like the Skeletors and the One sticks have already. And I kind of had a hunch that these were going to work. Like I said, they've been sold out for a while. Finally got back in stock, so I ordered a set. And the set meaning it comes with, I think it's 99 cents per bag, and that covers you for 1 stick. So if you got 4 climbing sticks, you need 4 of these. So I swapped these out. And these seem to be the remedy or the cure. So if you're looking for, or if you have the same issue that I'm experiencing, I've seen some other videos of folks complaining about this, so I'm assuming it's pretty common. But if you're experiencing the same thing, I recommend you hop on Tethrd's website. You might even be able to send them an email, and they may send you these under warranty or just out of good service as a replacement here. So real quick fix, 99 cents a piece, $4 total for 4 sticks. Directly off Tethrd's website. Again, they're the Stick Loc pin replacement kit or bag system here. You need 4 of them for 4 sticks. And it comes with, you can see, excuse me here, the top, much like the One sticks and the Skeletors. The shorter one goes on the top here, and this is the longer one that they come with already. So cool thing is you will have some extras. I believe the Workhorse sticks, if I recall, had some of the extra, the long ones here that go on the bottom already, but you're gonna need these shorter ones on the top in order to fit these in here. So real quick, the back, you wanna start that first, and it goes in the same position, or the hole sweeps that are already on the climbing sticks where the bars are there. And then you want to come down here, and you can see the little holes are in the top, same spot, and you just push them forward. So that's how you do it. You can see I got them stacked together. This is more of a rubber type material instead of pure plastic, so they actually grab, they're snug, and they stay together real nicely. So kind of think it's a little bit better design. I think they should have just resorted to this on the grit series like they did with the Skeletors and the One sticks. I kind of think this is a better design for cold weather and durability. So best part is they're cheap and you can replace them. Anyways, so just real quickly for context or reference, you can see on the top, these go facing the top side, or outward I should say. And then the black clips that you may have already, I don't know if you've broken them or not, but they mount in the same holes, and they just go on the opposite side of the bracket here. So hope this video helps you. Cheap fix. Like I said, Tethrd sent these to me free of charge for replacement. If I were you, I would just skip this altogether, because if you've broken them once already, you're probably gonna break them again. So I recommend you just go to these Stick Loc pin replacements from Tethrd. So once again, check their website out on the accessories tab. It's either the DIY kit tab or the accessories tab, I can't remember, but these are available, 99 cents pop or a package. Need 4 total for the sticks. Hope this helps you guys and gets you back out in the field using your climbing sticks for the Grit Workhorse by Tethrd. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about the sticks or how I replaced them, I'd be happy to answer. Thanks again.